Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2023, happy 2024, and happy 2025. We're back. I've been MIA for 2 years. Not intentionally. I've been sewing. I've been active on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Sophia_studios or studio. There's no S. I'll put it on the screen anyways. It's been so long. I don't know how to do this anymore. Anyways, yeah. I just want to start this channel again. So if you've stuck around, all 8,000 of you, welcome back. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please subscribe. I promise I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be bringing you sewing tutorials, sewing vlogs, sewing tips, everything sewing craft related, and a little bit of lifestyle. We'll see how that goes. So today I want to start the process of making a dress. My birthday's in a couple of days. I've been procrastinating, I've been lazy, but I got the patterns yesterday, and out of the patterns I got yesterday, this is what I want to make, the McCalls 8339. It's just a simple classic wrap dress. I want to make view C, but I plan on extending the sleeves because I want a long sleeve, and I don't like the straightness of the skirt, so I think I'm gonna like add a bit of flair to it. It's like an A-line, not like a straight skirt. So this is the pattern I want to make, and I'm gonna be using this sweaty knit fabric I got from Minever. I'm gonna leave a link to their website below. So this is the fabric, and this is the pattern thumbnail. I think this is gonna be great. So that's what I'm gonna start. So the first thing I need to do is cut the pattern. Let's get started in sewing this. I have like 3 days, no time. So if I can cut the pattern today, cut the fabric tomorrow, and then sew on Sunday or Monday, Sunday and Monday, I don't know, but I only have a few days, so let's get started. So like I said, I want to extend this or change the style of the skirt, make it more flared out, a bit A-line instead of just straight down. So what I did was just taped extra tissue paper from the pattern to the side of the skirt or the dress, and I just extended it down, and I'm just cutting off the excess. So I did this for the front and the back. I just added a few inches, like 3 inches to the hem, and extended it to the waistline. And so this is what I've done to both the front and the back. Okay, hi everyone. So it's the next day. I cut the pattern yesterday, and today we're gonna cut the fabric and hopefully start sewing. And if everything goes well, if we finish the dress today, that'll be perfect. But like I said, this is the fabric, and because one pattern piece is really long, I'm gonna cut on the floor. So that's gonna be my workout for today, cutting fabric. So let's get started. I quickly want to show you. So I hate pinning patterns to fabric, so I made these like pattern weights from air dry clay. These ones broke, so that's why I taped them together, but they've been so useful. So this is a hack. If you can't find pattern weights, or you find them expensive, you can make these with air dry clay. They do have some weight to them, and it was really fun to make. So let's continue. And I'm gonna be using this electric scissors. I love this. Like, I find that when I'm using like regular scissors, my fingers hurt. Yeah, so this has been really convenient, and I love it. I'll leave the link for you to buy it on Amazon in the description below, so do check it out. I really would prefer an A-line skirt, so I added a bit more. And if I put on the dress, it's easier to take in than not have enough fabric at all. So I've just added a little bit more, like 1.5 inches. Before I take the pattern weight off, I'm just going to make sure that I'm marking all the notches and all the marks that need to be placed on the fabric. So I have cut the remaining pieces of the pattern, and before I take it off the floor, I'm just clipping together the center back of the skirt and of the top as well to make it easier to just take to the machine and just sew. We're about to start sewing. I'm going to use my serger overlocker later, but I'm going to sew everything with a regular straight stitch first. And you guys can see I'm using clips because I have trauma from using pins. I'm going to probably make that a story time later. If you want me to make a video about that story time of why I'm traumatized by sewing pins, let me know in the comment section. But anyways, let's start sewing. The first I'm going to sew is the center back for the skirt as well as the center back for the top. So I'm about to start sewing the front, and I'm just going to follow this detail, but sometimes I don't look at the instructions, but because I haven't sewn like a twist front before and I don't want to have to use the seam repertoire and do any mistakes, I'm just going to follow the pattern instructions in details. So I have already pinned the front this way, and I'm just going to show, and I think after that, yeah, I'm just going to follow this and hopefully it comes out perfect the first time. Y'all, I'm so confused on this wrap situation. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here, so this is what I inserted in here. Let's take it out. Okay, so putting the pattern, I have to sew this part up indeed. And what's the next thing? This is the armhole. This is the notch. Face backwards. So I'm sewing this up this way. I guess this is what this is for, this notch here. So if this notch is here, just clip it here. Then why is this place still open? So I still need to sew this place closed. Oh, okay. Have I pulled this through enough? How do I... Oh gosh. So confusing. Okay. I'm gonna clip this place. I guess till I get to this notch here. Okay. So then I'm gonna sew down and finish up this part as well. Oh god, I think I finally figured it out. Gosh, this wasn't straightforward. This is why I like indie patterns. Indie sewing patterns, the instructions are more detailed. With commercial patterns, you really have to figure it out on your own. But what I like about commercial patterns is I don't like having to to tape papers together, like tape A4 paper or letter papers together. It's just easier to like cut the tissue paper with commercial patterns. But the instructions are sometimes abstract. You have to figure it out. Anyways, I think I figured it out now. Right, so I'm gonna sew like this and then complete this part and sew until I get to the next notch, which will be the end and the start of the slit. Okay, we got it. Okay, so before I go ahead and join the front and the back together, I'm just going to serge the edges of both the front and the back along the raw seams. So the next step according to the instructions is to attach the the back skirt to the back top, and then add a 1/4 inch elastic casing to add the elastic at the back. So that's what we're gonna do. Now let's pin right sides facing. This is the waist for the skirt, and this is the top, the back top. I'm just gonna attach, matching the center seams first. Okay, I used the zigzag stitch for the back waistline this time around because I'm going widthwise and I need it to be able to stretch. So it's time to insert the elastic. I'm going to use a bobby pin because every time I use safety pins, the safety pins open inside the casing, which is hard to close by. So I just poke that through and feed it through the casing. We're getting close to the finish line now. This is the back. Gonna place it right sides together. It's the front on top of it, right sides together. Okay, so when I'm done clipping the sides, I'm gonna sew along the sides, the armhole all the way down, as well as the shoulder seam all along this way. Okay, one of the final steps to finish this dress is to finish the neckline, and I have the facing piece which I have interfaced as well as serged the edges. So I'm just gonna pin it to the front. Okay, all done. Now I'm gonna sew around and then turn it over and understitch, the regular. And after that, I'm going to hem the skirt, just fold it in one time, like 3/4 inch, and I'm just going to sew around and do the same for the sleeves as well. Just fold it in and sew around, and the dress is complete. And there you have it, guys. This is the dress. At first, honestly, I didn't love it. I had to then make some adjustments, like make the waist smaller and also drop the neckline a few inches. And you know what? Now I'm feeling it. Let me know what you think about the dress. Do you like the style? What changes would you make to make it suit your personal style in terms of like the fabric or the pattern? Let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on notification and share the video. Also give this video a thumbs up and just wish me happy birthday in the comments at the very least. So stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.